Hello and welcome to Avontuur und Allrad, the largest off-road trade event for RVs in the world. This is a Terranger off-road Technic. It looks at the back like, well, the front looks a VW and the back looks like one of these things in Star Wars. And at least that does to me. I've only seen the first 3 Star Wars, so perhaps I wouldn't know. This thing here, you're looking at around 180,000 euros for it. So what we've got 2 separate units, VW at the front and the Terranger bit at the back, completely separate and a totally unique RV, at least as far as I believe. I've not seen anything like this anywhere else. Now this company also does this without the kit at the back sorted out, so you could actually buy it completely naked if you'd so desired. Well, as you'll have noticed, there's a tent in the roof, which on a day like today is pretty handy, but for most days it isn't. We've got, in this case, they've built this a very large bed here, and under it we've got some more storage. Now one thing I do of course need to put out is make clear is these things are built to order, either by yourself or by someone else. And so if this is the sort of thing that would appeal to you, then this is what you would order. On the other hand, if it were me, I'd have had a toilet and a washroom in here. But that's just the way I am. That's the sort of thing I would want. So whoever built this built it for their own requirements. This has here a door which I think will open, and we've got a crawl space through there to get into the cab as well. So inside, with this design, I have to say there's not much in it, but it's got a lot of space. And the reason it's got a lot of space is, well, have a guess. On the outside though, it does look pretty effective. Let's have a walk now around the outside of it and see what we can see. Uh, 4x4, in this case 6x6 I think, and so you've got this rear obviously to help you get up those difficult hills. With the wheels here at the front being so close together, I think that would of course help with the difficult situations where the hill suddenly goes up and then it goes down. You hit the peak of something, so you've always got something you gotta keep a hold of. There's your sand tracks and your shovel. Windows are security windows, which themselves are pretty expensive. So I refer you to the description to get more information on this vehicle, should you be interested. But for the moment, thanks for watching and all the best from me in Bad Kissingen.